Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Archlinux Tweak Tool. With the help of Claude and AI, we've migrated the ATT or Archlinux Tweak Tool to GTK4. It has been a lot of code, but in respect of time, this is a fraction of the time with Claude, and it was after that maybe one day and a half maybe of work migrating the current ATT GTK3 to the GTK4 variant. Right, so if you're interested in Claude, also look at how it calculates its nodes, how much communication goes from A to B, right, because it will cost you money. Even have a pro, so even then with a pro, from time to time he'll say you've used enough and you have to wait 3 hours, or in weekly version and daily version, right, you just have to wait for the possibility to be able to code again. But in the whole, right, the bulk of the work was done in one go. At 80-90% of the work was done. The thing I had to every single time, right, have a look at, is this aligned with this, and is this to the back and instead of in the beginning, etc. Right, so things like that. And in the meantime, I've cleaned also the code that was not used anymore. I've removed that as well, manually, of course, because it all costs money. So some of the things you do manually, and some of the things you say, go ahead and rewrite this code, or have this issue of this prompt. And Claude was very helpful, right? I have the pro version, the paid version, so I'm trying to learn how to work together with basically a team of developers, right? AI is basically the power of creation or development of computing, whatever you want to call it, right? But I can rely on it, right? He, she, to write the code, and I've successfully migrated this thing. Now, if you want this, you need to go to the Kiro repo, sorry, the Nemesis repo, right? If you update the system and you're on Kiro, that's okay. You have the Nemesis repo here, and we are not gonna say replace this with that. We're still gonna test it out for a few months. But the Archlinux Tweak Tool has now 2 variants: the Tweak Tool Git and the Tweak Tool GTK4 Git, right? So have a go and tell me if everything is okay or not. Because, well, we test every single button, but there will be things we forgot anyway. So the new variant, GTK4, is the same as the Archlinux Tweak Tool, has also a GTK4 version, and it's either this or that. If you want to have the old one, that's fine, but then he'll say you have to, well, remove this one and the new one and go back to the old one, and that's fine. Just give it a go and tell me everything is good or not. Alright, enjoy the 2 new GTK4 variants, Archlinux Logout and Archlinux Tweak Tool. Cheers.